you can see, this is our website loving Uhcl, which is the best place to shop online. Shopping here is just like heading out to the store. We offer a variety of deals at this website, and we can see this is the home page, uh, so which gives us a gist of the products and the services offered. There are different tabs where the user can navigate to, like the products, which shows the range of products, and services will give us the options of services which are offered here. The about us page, which gives the information about the website. The contact us shows the contact info, and this is just a overview of the products and services offered. So as soon as we go on the login button, we are navigated to the login page. So here we can see that the user can enter the ID, the role it wants to log in as, and the password. So first we will enter the ID, and we will log in as a regular seller. Okay, we log in as a premium seller first. So the ID is 1007 premium seller, and the password is submit. So now we are navigated to the premium seller page. Here it shows welcome username for the premium seller, and it gives us an option of creating an item history. So we can go to the item history and see what all items have been created. We can return and create an item. So depending on what we want to create, say a product or a service, we can choose from the drop down menu. So say we choose a product, we give a description as an iPod, and we give the title as music. Price, say we give 60, availability is 4, and minimum number of purchases to be done, we give 2. Click on create, and the item is created. Gives us a message, your item is created successfully, with the purchase ID also. We return, and if we check the item history, we can see that iPod is added to the item history, and we return, and now we can log out and again log in as another role. So now we log in as regular seller. So the regular seller ID is 1004. We choose regular seller from the drop down, and we give the password. Submit. Same way for the regular seller, it shows welcome, username, and the options of creating an item and item history. So if you want to create an item for the regular seller, say we choose service this time, give a description as, say, restaurant, and we give the title as lodging. Give the price. We'll try and give a price above 100, so we'll give it as 120. So availability is 4, minimum is 2. Then we create. So now it will show that your item is created with ID 15 and sent for admin approval. Since for the regular seller there is a constraint that if they create items with purchase rate more than 100, they will have to send it for the admin, to the admin for the approval, and only if the admin approves will the item be created. So if we go and check in the item history, we would see that the item ID with 14 wasn't added here. So we return, and then we log out. So now let's log in as an admin. ID is 1008, role is admin, and password is submit. So now it will again prompt welcome username, and show approved list is the option here. Click on show approved list. It will show the ID. This ID which we just created is to be approved. Click on approve. It will say your item is approved. We return. So let's log out and check again in the regular seller. So the ID was 1004 and the role is regular seller, and then the password again. So we go and check in the item history, and now here we go. We see the item with purchase ID 15, which wasn't here before. Now after the admin approval has been added in the inventory list. So return, log out, and then log in again. Now we'll be logging in as a customer. So a customer will be the main one who will actually purchase the product. So log in, and now here again welcome username, and then here we'll get option of click here to make a purchase or click here to view a purchase history. So we'll go make a purchase. So now here we have an option of searching according to the service or product. So say if you want based on the services, we click here. So it will list down all the services offered, like clean dorms, music lessons, okay. And if you wanna search on the basis of a product, it will list down all the products like t-shirts, bags, sports apparel, etc. So say if you want to search using some keywords, so we can just type say. So now here it will show any letter, whatever letter we typed in, the description containing those keywords will be listed here. And then say if I want to purchase an iPod, I click on iPod, and now it gives us a message that your purchase ID is 6 and it's in invalid state, and please check in the purchase history. So why is it in invalid state? Is because the minimum number of purchases required for the iPod were 2, and one more customer is to be needed to purchase iPod, and then only it will get approved. So let's go back and then log out and log in as another customer. Say we log in as two. Submit. So now here we see again we go to click here to make a purchase, and then last time we had purchased an iPod, so we look for an iPod and we purchase. Now it will show that your purchase is success and purchase ID is 7, because the minimum number of purchases required were 2 and that's fulfilled. So we return and click here to view your purchase history, and it will show. We log out. So we are back on the home page again, and this was the overall functionality of our project Living with Sale. Thank you.